Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Other inmate voice my opinion, but probably they must be afraid to put you up and make your real see what go on. The man a great criminal in a GP prison higher. So what I say, and it needs to stop. We need a superintendent with vision. We need a superintendent to just lock up and fly up and lock up and fly up and then a youth sentence done and you have to let him out the back and watch her go on. He might go back out there with him little dirty pedophile mind. He might go back out there with him little dirty criminal self. Because the no changes never go on at prison. No in have to make no changes that go on in here. Look at Punish Town prison. There's so much different things are going on over there. Mr. Brown, people them want to deal with rehabilitation, afraid for come here and don't want to come here. You see me? The people them say them will deal with any other superintendent but not him. The man I believe in it, the man not even the manners. The man don't know if to talk to the people. Him and Mr. Newman carry out the whole and dirty work them. Hear that? Brown and Newman and few more over there in the prison. You have over there in there was a John Star. I left this work.
So we just want to make the ones on my road know that we live in a state where it's frightening institution. You get me? Yeah. Right now we're traumatized on this black right now on the being out there. Because we're supposed to. Yeah. I wait name now. Yeah. Yeah, after 9 now in a general penitentiary and all that just come for fly up for take out a cell with guns and stuff, yeah. Yeah, and them kind of thing there. But they are try to hit against and show that this thing is crazy, you get me? Yeah, all this what's going on in GP. And although it's dark and it's inhumane and thing, but we think say just that alone we have to face, but we have to face other terrorism then, remember? Because it's terror, of course it's terror. Because if you're a man with a tire gun and the next man with a shotgun in that hour at night, the pandy section, that's not normal. Yeah, so Mr. Brown, I tell you, you are the one who cause all of this. Because the one of them is frustrated, them to the rehabilitation now. Go on. You get me? And them will terrorize the inmates, them and that go on, them will terrorize you. Because them will say, we are not like Spanish Town inmates, we are rehabilitate. And in a rehabilitation program. Mental struggle then, in other words. But I don't know what can take place. I don't know what's taking place. And I want the ones that investigate all this what I say. Because it's crazy. Yeah, so I beg you, please. I tell you.
Viewers and subscribers, what you just listened to a while ago, or what you just see, are inmates complaining about the treatments they are receiving in a place that is called GP, right? That GP is called General Penitentiary, right? The real name for it is Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. You see me? Built around 1845, shortly after slavery, you see me, and it was made to hold about 650 prisoners, but you know, little after that, you know, it was about 1700. You see me? You see it? Yeah, so these prisoners are really complaining about the situation and the treatments and so forth, and they are trying to let the world know that what's going on there has nothing to do with rehabilitation. This video hit on social media right about now, and a whole heap of questions and a whole heap of assumptions and a whole heap of talk. You see me I say, because the fact that it's about behind bars, it's about prisoners complaining, you see me? And some of the comments good, some of the comments bad. Some people on social media saying that them deserve it. Some people on social media saying that they are only human. Some people on social media saying that the situation needs to be checked out, and some people on social media asking if they are telling the truth or is it a lie or what, you know. So it's a whole lot of mix up things, but you don't know, me only bring to know what hot on social media, you my viewers and subscribers, so that if you miss out on what go on, you can actually see what go on and you can actually voice your opinion, you know, if you want. You see me? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments, because sometimes comments are left behind that is very informative. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself. You see.